Let us see the methods for array initialization, that is the value allocation for the array in indices. First one is static or automatic. So here just we are giving the array elements within a brace and the elements are separated by commas. So this is called as static or automatic. Second one is here we are creating an array, already created an array B with size 120, but we are just initializing with 5 values, so the remaining indices are assigned with the values 0. So unspecified elements are guaranteed to be 0. Here another one example is given for an array with size 4. We are trying to insert 5 elements. The compiler detects too many initial values are assigned for the array C. And another method is automatic method. So here we are using a variable n to determine the value of each array index. So the array are initialized by some expression. Before using this, n should be assigned with some value, some integer value. And another method is for an array with n size, we are giving only one value. So the value 1 is assigned to the index 0. Other elements are assigned with value 0. It depends on the value of n. So this can be used in the compilers GCC, C99 and C++. In implicit array determination, the array size is not declared explicitly here, and it depends on number of elements given in the array initialization. Here we are declaring an array of type integer with name days, and we are assigning the values of number of days in every month of an year. So the size of the array is 12. That is the number of elements we have given in that initialization. The array is created with as many elements as initial values. So here array of the size is defined as 12. The values must be compile time constants for static arrays, and the values may be runtime expressions for automatic arrays to define the values of the elements. So to obtain a size of an implicit array, we can use the operator size of. It returns number of bytes of memory required by the operand. The size of integer returns the number of bytes required to store an integer value, and size float returns number of bytes per a float value. Size of days returns number of bytes required for the array days, that is explained in the previous slide. And number of elements in days is determined by size of days by size of integer, because we are storing integer values inside the array. Must be able to be determined at compile time. Dynamically allocated arrays are not supported.